Tanushri for this motivational event. Efforts सबने किए हैं, हमने किसी ने कम किसी ने ज़्यादा, but motivation सिर्फ हमारी Tanushri. We are looking forward for more of these kind of events. हमारे यहाँ सभी लोगों को. Thank you very much.
All the best.
Hello everyone. I, on behalf of Limco, as well as personally also, really want to thank Miss Tanushri Pasricha and her team also, Sanya and Nitya and all other youngsters, because I have been watching them with full of enthusiasm, and they are organizing the events in such a beautiful way. The whole of the event was so well planned, well organized. So I thank the organization also, like the Creations of Life, who has spared its excellent facilitator, Miss Tanushri. I have been discussing all these things with Tanushri also. Like we are really looking forward for these kind of events more and more in our organization, and these youngsters are doing such a wonderful job that made us think like we really need to learn from them. It's not about that age gives you the experience, but then yes, these people have told us that youngster can also teach you so many things. So Tanushri, you really did a very good job, and thanks again on behalf of the company and from all of the attendees also. Thank you very much.